Hello, it's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic now about that pastor wey me wife, that pastor, you know. So now we come to hear the real truth because his sister come later cry out say the real truth wey happen be say there are some secrets where the pastor don't want make it expose, my people. When I see the ogbonge topic and the thing come shocktalize me for what his sister talk, although she use Ghana they talk am, she don't use English. So now somebody wey dey hear Ghana na I come translate am for me say see wetin the sister they talk, because they come interview a sister for radio station, and from then I will come know the real truth wetin really happen, my people. So she say the sister married to this man, for everything was going fine, you know, the pastors, the fake pastors. So she say the pastor he get one time when he travel go one service like that. As he come back, he come dey tell the wife say the pastor when he see today, the man a very powerful man, you know. The man saying go put am through all those things, not know he say na for evil way na the man want to put am through. That is why they always dey tell people say be careful for church where you dey go, be careful, because fake na im many pass, you understand. Fake pastors full everywhere, you understand me. More they dey careful for churches wey una go dey go, because of this man, this pastor so wey go meme his wife now na wetin dey preach against o, you understand. So when they come go start the church now, they come begin the when they come go meet the pastor, they come begin the misbehave for there, come begin the tell his wife how him go take. His wife come dey suspect her since wey they come back. When they go put him hand for bad thing, his wife come dey suspect am. So anytime he come house, his wife go dey see am with this thing for hand, red. I no wan put mouth, and I understand na wey person go injure wetin dey come out for body. So anytime the man go dey see am for his hand, so the man come dey surprise say the woman come dey surprise say wetin dey make if anytime the husband come back he must see red for his hand, wetin dey happen. Now no say red na e no good, na danger. Every time na the wife dey see am for his hand. So the woman come dey surprise say his husband don go join bad thing and be waiting. Na man of God wey dey do evil thing, na his husband come be abi waiting. The thing come dey surprise the woman. So before the wife come finally catch am, after not say what they go join those their secret court, they'll come dey get inner, they'll come dey get room for their house wey be say the room you no go fit enter. The wife say if he wan enter the room, she not dey fit enter the room, because the man he know wetin he do. So that is why she say the wife not dey fit enter the room, you understand. So when the room na only in one na dey enter, they use key take lock part. Now I thought they watch am for old video now, when all those men wey they go they join court, we don't want you want they'll get room private room wey be say another person not the feel they enter. Now so this one will be so, my people. He say now so the man come dey do am o. That room she not the feel enter, the woman, that's his wife. So if I say his wife now can't tell the sister say he no understand. There are the guest particular room where they are asked, she not the fee enter. Now there the man for they do all those ritual where in they do. And this is a pastor. This is a pastor, person wey call himself a pastor. We saying a pastor. Now they do all those things, so my people. That is why Mona dey careful for churches. Mona go there go. Mona dey careful. Mona dey careful. all those hand wey they lay for una hand, me no make that hand, make that una head, make anywhere. Now make some people anywhere where they go barrier go they follow them because of what people don't do. All those pastors don't do before. They'll come they carry that hand down till they lay for their head. Then they cause all those things. So he say now so the man come they do more. So and as he don't go show himself now to devil now, he not can they even jogodo the wife again. He not can they touch the wife again. This pastor so he not can they touch the wife again. He not can they jogodo him again because he don't go do what he don't go do because you know when they don't do that thing now, they don't want to near their wife again. So that's what this pastor can they do him. So now when you say his wife now come cash am for so many things wey in they do. Now his wife say no, he not go fit because she not want make God punish her for what this man they do so because na evil thing the man they do and they go church on top of altar there they pray. The church come big, people come they come, but the man gets down in a devil way. Now these people till they come. So the wife can say no, he not go fit bear this thing again. So the woman now don't they plan to want leave the man now. She be don't they plan making leave the man. Before this man can say la she go nowhere. She not they go anywhere. Instead where they go take go, he go meme the woman. So he now before he meme the woman now, he already tell his brother say see what he want to do. Now his brother they say now he buy the gun when he use take meme his wife. They say na his brother na he buy this thing for him. So on that fateful day now, you know say he get where in with the brother, the wife brother for fight. Where the one they tell him say make he leave his sister alone. Since he not go fit marry his sister, he not go fit stay with his sister because he be the teacher a better person. That make the evil allow me marry their sister. As they come see and say he not dey serious, not be better person. Now I make them come say he must come out. Say they don't want him again. Come they fight the boy's sister. You can't tell the boy's sister say ain't go make sure say meme your sister. Say one pastor tell am say your sister na witch. Whereas na lie oh. No when men now don't they find way they want for leave their wife. They come they talk different lie because he don't say and say the wife don't cash her for so many things way in they do. The world now go come here, but not be the thing we see here now as we remember now. Now the things everybody see here now, we see here the story. So what it can make you feel lie? What it can make you now come remember this woman now when everybody see here the real gist, everybody see here the real thing wey happen. Hey my people, there's some people I fear not fear the sha. They really say that America say go on all the hard to get for there. You know go there really. I still remember this woman. God not go ever forgive you. You must that jail now you go there. You not go ever come out lie. Evil man. Yeah, my people. So now the matter where they ground though, I say make I come update now. I know say I must come tell you now. If I hear anything, any changes again, I must come tell you now. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you both for me.